don't know why I'm wearing that hat. I'm Erin.
Sketchball!
This is Devin. She's playing with the dollhouse.
Because it's really bored at this house. There's nothing else to do. We're stuck in a blizzard.
Yeah, you want to see the
Lazy lady, and I don't even know why there's a dollhouse here. That's why I'm saying. I don't even know why it just popped up in here one day in our kitchen. That's why we don't have a kitchen, because there's a dollhouse here. Let's go back to Erin.
Yeah, we're in a blizzard, and it's really scary. Oh, you want to see something? This is my baby bump. I'm so excited.
Loser.
I'm not a loser. I'm so happy. But I really hope I don't have the baby today because we're in the middle of a blizzard and we can't leave.
What about you stuck here with me?
See that blizzard? It's like getting worse. My dad was like, it's going to get better, but it's getting worse. And we live in this one room. And I have this freaking baby inside me. Look at that. Look at that. You can't even see your feet with this. Actually, you kind of can. Safety.
Did you just fart?
Yep. Look at that baby. Yep. So I'm gonna do some crumping with my baby bump. Crump, 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 crump.
Weird.
Oh my God! Oh!
What?
I'm having the baby!
Oh my God!
They probably can still see it. No, they can't.
Aww, a brand new baby! Just popped out of nowhere. It's dollhouse!
It popped out of my belly button, jeez. Because that's where babies come from.
Sure, just tell the kids that.
Hi guys! Look at my beautiful belly. It's all gone. Because guess what? Now I have a baby! Don't
Sorry?
touch the baby.
Of course I have it, I guess.
I can't believe stabbing babies is a force of habit.
Ho, ho, ho.
What are you, freaking Santa Claus?
Oh my God, look at that.
See, this is my child that I just had 2 minutes ago in this house. I can use that as a crib!
No, look at my pin pad.
I just had the baby like 2 minutes ago. Like right there. Right there. Where that hanger is. Because I didn't bleed, okay?
Look at my cool hat. Look how cool my hat is. It's all big and puffy. Look at my cool hat.
Ow! Yeah. So, we're stuck in this blizzard, and I had this baby, and I don't have a crib for it. So,
wow, party!
If any of our viewers want to send me a crib, I'd love that. But first,
Too bad we have none.
First, I'm going to put my baby in its crib. This lovely hat works great as a crib. This is my baby, but I'm not releasing its name because I'm too famous to release its name. I'm going to pull a tomcat and wait 6 months. Okay? Okay. So, what do I do with this? Can I put this in the dollhouse?
No.
No?
That's child abuse, man.
What am I supposed to do with this baby?
You're supposed to nurture it and love it.
Alright, I'll nurture it and love it. Alright, let's get it out of its crib. Oh, I love my baby. My baby is really tiny. See how tiny she is? She's really tiny. She's wearing her onesie right now.
Look at it's bleeding.
It doesn't have any teeth, idiot.
Well, it's bleeding.
It's only a few minutes
Well,
old.
it's bleeding.
Baby, I'm doing this. Sorry, my hair is in their face. Look at my baby.
My God, you have no life.
Alright, what do you want to do, Devin?
Wait, I just want to see the video.
My baby. And we're